Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are we all doing? I want to believe you are doing fine. Hello. This video ought to have been uploaded since yesterday, but something happened. Okay, I'm so sorry. I would have done this earlier. Okay, so how are we all doing? How are we enjoying this new month? This is the 8th month of the year 2021, and I tell you, by this time, if you have not started seeing any positive changes in your life, that means there is a problem, and we need to correct it. Okay, so how are we preparing for the years? Now is the end of the year. We'll be talking about, no longer beginning of the year, right? Okay, so I want to believe you are doing fine and we are preparing well. And how far with our business, how far with our workplaces, and all the rest of it. Let me believe everything is fine. All right. Without saying that, I want us to talk about something. Just getting yeah. What I have here is my alligator paper. Of course, you guys should bear with me that I have discussed so many things about alligator paper and how to use it. Okay, all right. So but today we are going to differently to another dimension. This is another dimension we are going to right now, because now we'll be needing three things, two things including this, but it's making it three things to get what you wanted. Yeah, if you are the type that you know yeah, because of business we still need money to take care of so many things. So this is going to be very simple and straightforward rituals that everybody can do with anywhere you are, because we can easily get it anywhere we are. We can order for the ingredients. We can as well get it around us, especially if you are watching me from Nigeria here, um now eastern part of anywhere around Nigeria, you can as well actually get this. Okay, so let's go straight to the business of the day. Yeah, today we're talking about three things. I said three things. Yeah, here is my alligator pepper. This is my alligator pepper. Okay, of course I told you guys, if you want to open it, you got to take your hands at the back before you open it. Like, I made videos about it, so that it stands. Okay, that is how best to open it. And then what again we'll be needing is our red cola. That one is called Oji Igbo. Yeah, that the main red cola, not white wine. No, cola has two types: the red one and the white one. Now we are going to use the red one. Okay, and then calories. Yes, three of them, three calories, three cola. And then when you get this, you have to open it and bring out 7 seed of alligator pepper. All right, that 7 seed of alligator pepper, how we're going to use it, we are going to either burn everything and then smash it, or you have to use your mortar. Don't use blender and don't use plastic mortar, and then don't use anything. You can use crusher. There is this stone crusher that you can use and scratch something. I don't know, it's holding this type of blending something. You can use stone to scratch something. Either you use that particular one, or you use main mortar, wooden mortar, to pound the three together. Okay, when you pound the three together, you are going to keep them in a separate, and then use pure honey to mix all of them together. Use pure honey to mix all of them together, and you mix it together. First thing every morning, you have to use your middle finger, and either you charge it outside or use your middle finger to to charge it. Of course, you when you dip it down there, you declare words, you pray, you make your prayers known. This is what you want this month and all the way. So after making your prayers known, you have to dip in your middle finger. Use your right hand. Okay, you have to dip in your middle finger, holding it here, or putting it on the, okay, I'll talk about that later. When you simply lick it, after licking it, to go your way. By God's grace, your problem, financial issue, will start taking a new dimension, a new shape. If you are a fire element, of course, try and light white candle. Okay, if you are earth element, you try and put sand. Yeah, use sand. Maybe when where you are going to keep it, you can put sand, allow it to touch the sound. the sand or soil or earth, you can call it earth. Spiritual language, it is called earth. Okay, then if you're water elements, please, you can as well use water. Okay, yeah, air elements, you can use incense while making those prayers or making these preparations. By God's grace, I am believing that you are going to come out victorious. It is tested and trusted. You can just give it a trial. I believe you will come out stronger this time around. Thank you so much, darling friends, for watching my videos, and then thank you so much for your support at this moment. I really really appreciate you guys. You guys are super wonderful. I love you all. I love you all. I can do without you guys. Okay, bye bye. See you very very soon. Bye.